Meet the ultimate home cleaning solution, the Advanced Robotic Vacuum Cleaner 2023. Discover a revolution in your household cleaning routine with our Advanced Robotic Vacuum Cleaner 2023. This is not your everyday cleaning tool. It's an advanced, automated solution designed to make your life easier and cleaner. The future of home cleaning is here. The Advanced Robotic Vacuum Cleaner is not just a vacuum cleaner, but an intelligent appliance, equipped with the latest technology. It's designed to clean every corner of your home, leaving no dust behind. You'll be amazed by its smart navigation system. It uses advanced sensors to map your home, avoiding obstacles and ensuring that every square inch of your floor is covered. No more spots missed or corners left dirty. One of the key features of this model is its powerful suction. Regardless of the surface, whether it's hardwood, carpet, or tiles, the Advanced Robotic Vacuum Cleaner 2023 ensures a thorough clean, picking up the smallest of dust particles. But it's not just about power, it's also about precision. This model comes with a unique edge cleaning mode, making sure that even the edges and corners of your home are spotlessly clean. The Advanced Robotic Vacuum Cleaner 2023 is also pet-friendly. It's designed to efficiently pick up pet hair, dander, and allergens. Forget about the struggle of cleaning after your pets, this vacuum cleaner has got you covered. Unlike traditional vacuum cleaners, our model is ultra-quiet. So, you can continue with your daily activities or relax, without being disturbed by the noise. And here's the best part, it's entirely programmable. You can schedule your cleaning times, set no-go zones, and even control it via your smartphone. It's convenience like never before. The Advanced Robotic Vacuum Cleaner 2023 is also energy efficient. It automatically returns to its charging base when the battery is low, ensuring it's always ready for the next cleaning session. Durability is another standout feature of this model. The robust design and high-quality components ensure that your robotic vacuum cleaner is built to last. Finally, the Advanced Robotic Vacuum Cleaner 2023 is compact and sleek, designed to complement your home decor, not to disrupt it. Investing in the Advanced Robotic Vacuum Cleaner 2023 is investing in a cleaner, healthier, and more convenient home. Start your hassle-free cleaning journey today. In a world where time is at a premium, let the Advanced Robotic Vacuum Cleaner 2023 take care of the cleaning, so you can focus on what truly matters. So, are you ready to upgrade your cleaning routine?